Bhandari. I am going to teach a 8th standard CBSE syllabus of mathematics. In the previous class, we have completed the chapter 1, rational numbers, whole chapter completed. In today's topic, we are going to continue the exercise. We are going to continue the chapter number 2, linear equation, one variable. Exercise number 2.1. Okay. First, we have to know the concept. This class I will be taking in bilingual language. Okay, in English and Kannada. Okay. Now, linear equation one variable. What is linear equation and what is linear equation one variable? So, I will give you one example starting. So, I give you one example. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Students, now try to understand this x is there now. This is called as variable. This is called as variable. It is one variable. So we have a one variable, only x. It is a one variable. So this is equal sign. Equality sign. This is whole we call it as an equation. Students, see here, one variable. We are making the linear equation. This is a linear equation. Linear equation one variable. We are having a one variable. So it is called the linear equation. One more example I will take that. 3x squared minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is also linear equation one variable. Why means here we are getting one variable. Okay. Students, here one variable means we have one variable. So it is called a linear equation. This is the topic of exercise. Okay. There is nothing more than this concept. So I will go direct to the exercise. Students, right? 2x minus 3 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು x is the one variable and linear equation equationally ಇದು one variable ಇದೆ. So this is the complete is equal to side. This is complete one variable ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ one variable linear equation ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay, note it down. I will go to the direct to the exercise. So now exercise 2.1, first problem here. X minus 2 is equal to 7. Second one, y plus 3 is equal to 10. Third one, 6 is equal to z plus 3. Okay. Now in this one we have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. In this one, what will happen is x is there now, minus 2 is there, is equal to 7. In this one, minus 2, we have to cancel this minus 2. So I will shift from this side. If you shift anything other side, the signs will be changed. Okay. Now the sign will be x is equal to 7 plus 2. X what? X is equal to 7 plus 2 means 9. This is the required answer. Okay. Next one. Y is equal to plus 3 10 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y is equal to 10. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು -3. So y is equal to 10 minus 3 to 7. This is the required answer. Okay. Next one. 6 is equal to z plus 3. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 6 ಇದೆ. I want to shift 3 on this side. So plus 3. If you shift other side, you will get as -3 is equal to z. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 is nothing but z. Okay. This is the required solution. Okay. Please note it down. One more thing, students. If you are facing any sound problem, video quality in your mobile, please volume you keep it at high, and video quality we advanced setting, go in setting advanced, you get as maximum 720p, so that you will get video quality nice and sound quality, sound you pick maximum so that the sound will be good. Okay. Now coming to our class, fourth question. x is equal to 17 by 7. Fifth one, 6x is equal to 12. Sixth one, t by 5 is equal to 10. Okay. What problem is there? X is there. X I will keep this side only. 17 by 7. I will shift this one to other side. So it will plus is there. So this side will go means minus 3 by 7. Okay. Now x is equal to LCM is denominator are same. So we don't need to take the LCM. So here we will get 7. 7 common is this. So 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3 means 14. 14 by 7x. So you will get x is equal to 7 1s are 7 2s are. So 2 is the required answer. Next one. See here 6x minus 2. So x I will take as 12 minus by 6. What is denominator? X is equal to 1s are 2s are. So x is equal to 2. Is the required answer. Okay. Next one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ t by 5 is 5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಾವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it will take as t 5 into 10. So t is equal to 5 times 50. 50 is the required answer. Okay. Note it down. First screenshot it. Afterwards you write it. Seventh one, 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Eighth one, 1.6 is equal to y upon 1.5. Ninth one, 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 7th one. ನಾವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 2x is equal to 18 into 3. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2 1s 2 9s. ಸೊ x is equal ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 9 into 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ x is equal 9 3s 27. This is your required solution. ಓಕೆ, 1.6 y is equal to, ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು 1.6 ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ into 1.5 is equal to y. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0.0 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ zeros ನನ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 15 6 15 6 90 9 0 15 1s 15 15 plus 9 240 224 24. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 1 ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ 2 zeros ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಡೆ 1 2. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಂತೆ 2.4 is equal to y. Okay, got it? Next one, 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. So here we will do it as 7x. I am shifting this one is here 16 plus 9. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 7x 16 plus 9 25. X is equal to 25 by 7. You can't solve it further. So this is the required answer. Okay, note it down. These problems will be coming for your 1 marks or 2 marks in your school exams. Okay, note it down. So next problem, 10th one. The question is 14y 11th one 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. 12th one x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Okay. Now 10th problem 14 by minus 8 is equal to 13. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ minus 8 ಐತೆ ಇದೇ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 14 by is equal to 13 plus 8. So next step 14 y is equal to 13 plus 8 means 21. So we get y is equal to 21 plus by 14. So y is equal to 7 2s are 7 3s are 3 by 2 is the square answer. Okay. Next one 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 6p ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ 9 ಇದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸೊ minus 17 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. Okay. 6p is equal to 8 minus 8. So p is equal to minus 8 by 6. So p is equal to table 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ both side. So we take as 2 4s are minus 4 by 3. This is the required answer. Okay, note it down. Now the last problem of this exercise 2.1 x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 5. So I will take this side as this side. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು x by 3 7 by 15 minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Now LCM, take LCM first one x by 3. LCM will be 15. 15. Here will be 1. If nothing is there means. So LCM so 7 as it is minus 15 means this is 1 is to 15 means this is 1 is to 15. Okay. Now 1 is to 15 means here will come 15. So what 3 ones are 3 5s are. So x is equal to 5. 17 minus 15 means minus 8. So required answer this one. Okay, students. Here we have completed. Here we have completed the exercise 2.1 whole topic, whole exercise we have completed. From the next class we are going to continue and completing the remaining exercise of linear equations 1 year ago. So I am hoping that you are getting my explanations very easy. If you have any doubts about the topic, you please comment it. I will reply it. Okay. Hope you liking my class. Please like it and share it so that the video must get viral. So that everyone must come to know that there is something classes are going on. Okay. Hope you like. Thank you.